Welcome back to Recycle and Save. I've got a 2018 Crf250r in really excellent shape, maintained well by the mechanic who is also the rider of this bike. Hour meter has 33 hours on it, and the whole maintenance log is here. He changed oil religiously with each ride. It's got a Hinson clutch basket in it, even though it's got a stock cover on it. They had some kind of a recall issue or something with the clutches on these, and he just went ahead and put the Hinson basket and clutch in it. So that's all handled and taken care of. He did have the suspension worked, so it's set for a expert level 165 pound rider. Everything works great. Other than that, it's pretty much stock exhaust, really nice plastics and graphic kit, decent tires on it yet. One of those, I can't remember the name of those sprockets, I don't know if that's titanium or what, but I've never seen one of these actually get worn out. They're like rock hard and made out of something solid. But good solid bike. So if you need parts for your, let me get this thing started. If you need parts for 2017 through 2020 Crf250 and maybe some Crf450 parts, let us know. We got a really great donor bike here for parts. Everything works great on it. So remember to subscribe down below. Make sure you see what else we're taking apart around here. If you need parts, check on our eBay store. There's a link below to see what we've still got in stock. You can sort on eBay for your bike or get a hold of me by texting below. Let us know what you need, and hopefully we can help you get running and save you some money. Thanks a lot.